How much can I deposit into Gemini at once? Intro. Imagine you've just scored a big windfall. Maybe it's a bonus, an inheritance, or a lucky lottery win. You're excited to invest it, but you're also a bit nervous. One of the first questions that pops into your mind is, how much can I deposit into Gemini at once? That's what we're going to answer today. We'll delve into Gemini's deposit limits, factors that can affect them, and some best practices for making large deposits. Gemini's deposit limits. Gemini has a specific limit on how much you can deposit at once. This limit is designed to prevent fraud and ensure the platform's stability. While the exact amount may vary depending on your account type and region, it's generally quite high. To find out your specific deposit limit, you can check your Gemini account. The limit will be displayed in your account settings. Contact Gemini customer support. They can provide you with the exact amount. Factors that can affect your deposit limit. Several factors can influence your deposit limit, including account type. Gemini offers different account types, each with its own deposit limits. For example, a verified account may have a higher limit than a basic account. Verification level. The more information you provide to verify your identity, the higher your deposit limit is likely to be. Deposit method. The method you use to deposit funds can also affect the limit. Some methods, such as wire transfers, may have higher limits than others. Recent activity. If you've recently made large deposits or withdrawals, your limit may be temporarily lowered. Best practices for making large deposits. If you're planning to make a large deposit, here are some best practices to follow. Verify your account. Ensure that your account is fully verified to maximize your deposit limit. Consider multiple deposits. If your desired deposit amount exceeds your single deposit limit, you can make multiple smaller deposits over time. Be prepared for verification. Gemini may require additional verification if you make a large deposit. Have necessary documents ready, such as proof of identity and address. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your account balance and activity to ensure that your funds are deposited correctly. Additional considerations. While Gemini has a high deposit limit, it's important to consider other factors when making large deposits, such as withdrawal limits. Gemini may also have limits on how much you can withdraw at once. Transaction fees. Be aware of any fees associated with making large deposits or withdrawals. Market volatility. Keep in mind that the value of your investments can fluctuate. Be prepared for potential losses. Conclusion. Gemini offers a high deposit limit, allowing you to invest significant amounts of money. However, it's essential to understand the factors that can affect your limit and follow best practices to ensure a smooth deposit process. By following the tips in this video, you'll be well prepared to make large deposits into your Gemini account and start investing your money. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.